is after 51 is 77. So I need 4. After 51 is 77. After 77 is what?
27.
That's 27. I've generated 3. After 27 is what?
46.
46. Those are the 4. So 51, 77, 27, and 46. Then you move to the next one. After 46, you should have what?
After 46 is what? If you move to the next one is 40.
Next one is what?
42.
Next one is what?
33.
Next one is what?
12.
Yes. So you generate that until you get to what? Until you generate 30 of those what? Of those numbers. Are we together?
Yes.
So then we now apply this formula to it. You will see that we will get the same answer as that of what? Of table 2.1. So that's how to generate the number up to the last number 64, 64, 64, and 70. Do you get that?
Yes.
Okay. I can move on, right?
Yes.
So you now write the tally, sampling mean. Sampling mean. How did they get the first mean? All you need to do. How did they get the first mean? 64. Now, you know, in our O levels, you start from the lowest number. You look at from 1 to 30. You look at the lowest number. So if you begin to look at the lowest number here is what?
Yes.
When you look at the mean, let's calculate the mean first. 51 plus 77 plus 27 plus 46. Add them together and divide it by 4. Let's find the mean. 51 plus 77 plus 27 plus 46 divided by 4. What do you have?
Okay, let me calculate it.
Okay.
You said 55 before
The
divided by
first
64.
one, the first set, the first data set, the first 4 data set. Just
Okay,
find the
50.
mean.
All right, so let
51
me
plus
let me find.
77 plus 27 plus 46 divided by 4.
Yes.
What do you have?
You have 50.25.
Do it again.
So I've got 51 plus 77 plus 27 plus 46.
Yes.
It's not 50, it's 50.25 now. That's the mean.
No, no, come. I'm coming.
Yes.
Let me get my own calculator as well. Okay, try for 67 plus 70. 67 plus 70 plus 67 plus 67 divided by 4.
Okay, 67 plus 17 plus 67 plus 67 plus 67 to 10, 15, 67.75.
Okay. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Generate for the others down the list.
Okay.
Generate for the others down the list.
Okay. 66.25.
Okay. The next one.
All right. 67.75.
Okay.
Also
Okay. So
67.75.
okay. So you will see that you will get the mean. You will get the mean of all the numbers.
Yes.
And you will get the mean of all the list of numbers. So these are the respective mean. By the time you do that, you get their respective mean.
Yes.
Can I go on?
Yeah. Yes, you
Okay.
can go on.
Any question on this? Any question on what I've just said?
No, 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 no question.
Okay. So you'll see that in our O levels, we will always find the uh, lowest value and then tabulate it according to the number of
Mm.
those data that we have. Like the least value here is 64. When you check the mean, the sample mean, the least number here out of those list of mean is 64. Have you gone through it? By the time you go
Yes.
through it, it's 64.
Mhm. Mhm.
Are you there?
You said page 64.
No, I said when you check the mean of the list of numbers, when you check this mean height, the lowest number there is what? 64.
Yes.
Just go through the mean height. Go through the mean height. The lowest number there is 64.
Yes.
Mhm. So how many of the 64 do you have? You have only one. Have you gone through it? Have you gone through it?
How many of them have what?
How many of the 64 do we have there?
We have 164.
One of the 64, right?
Yes.
How many of the, so the next one that follows 64 ought to be what? 65.5, isn't it? The lowest one there is 65.5, and we have them to be 2. Can I go on?
Yes.
The next one is 66.25. The next one there is 67, and we have them to be 4. They appear 4 times: 67.75, 68.5, 69.25, and 70. Are we together?
Yes.
So each of them occurs with their varying frequencies. Can I go on?
Yes.
Okay. I'm coming. So let's calculate the U. I want to calculate this U. I want to calculate this U. Okay? So U is X minus A over C, isn't it? Hello?
Yes.
X minus A over C. Pick any number, pick any of the sampling heights, any of the sample heights rather. Just pick. You can decide to pick 67, you can decide to pick 66.25. Now, let me make allusion to something. Now, out of the list of the sample mean, that we have just generated, you will see that there is no value for 64.75.
Yes.
64.75 there was 0. Why they have to write that one there is because of the value of C. It's because of the value of C. How did they get C? Just take any of the sample mean, subtract them from each other. If you take the subtraction of any of the values that follows each other, you will get what? Can you tell me what you will get? Take any value that follows each other, find the difference. Apart from that 64.75, take any values that follows each other and give me the value of C. You now will calculate C, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's the value of C there? I'm waiting.
5.5 minus 67 over
Value of C.
the value of C is
Take any of the values that follow each other and remove them. Value of C. I'm
I'm saying
waiting.
the
Oh,
I'm saying the value of C is 9.
how did you get 9?
Actually, no.
Just take any of the sample mean. Take any of the sample mean of the new table you
0.75,
generated.
0.75.
So 0.75. So when you take the next one, you still be getting 0.75. Are you with me?
Yes.
So
Yes.
when you go to the beginning, it is 64, right? The first sample mean there is 64, right?
Yes.
So 64 plus 0.75 will give you 64.75. Are you with me?
Yes.
Now, actually, there is no 64.75 in the list of the sample mean that you got from above. So the author just added 64.75 to show continuity, showing that what? 64.75 has no value. Are you there?
Yes.
Do you understand why when you check the list of the sample mean, you won't get 64.75, showing that there is a gap there that is missing, which is 0. That's why the author wrote what? 0. You get that? So that you don't
Yes.
get to ask why is 67.5 not there when you are doing your